I do recommend making sure you have hydrophobic protection on your car because it will make this much more effective. Forced air drying units in detailing, especially during your drying process, is very, very important. Now, Adams Polishes has sold many different units over the years, starting with the Metrovac Master Blaster, moving to the Air Cannon, then the Air Cannon Junior, and the handheld Mini Air Cannon. Now, the common theme amongst all of this is the size has gotten smaller over the years, but the one common thing amongst all of them is they have to be plugged in. They have a cord attached to them. So Adams Polish has developed a cordless mini air cannon that is a battery powered forced air unit that is a very small footprint, but still packs a huge punch. Now with the cordless mini air cannon, you're gonna get the unit itself plus a battery, a 20-volt battery that has 5 amp hours. You're gonna get a battery charger, plus you're gonna get this tip that connects magnetically to the cordless mini air cannon. What are some ways that you can use this? Obviously, drying your car would be one way, but I do recommend making sure you have hydrophobic protection on your car because it will make this much more effective. Another thing to think about is there's times where you want to get the dust and dirt out of your car from the inside, and you can go and blow out your car instead of needing to do a big vacuum job. Boom, your cordless mini air cannon is a great tool to blow dust and dirt out of your car. You essentially can dry your car anywhere. You don't need an outlet to plug in any of the other air cannons. So if you're the kind of person that lives in an apartment or a condo and you don't wash at home, you actually go to the paint spray and wash your car there, boom, you can pull out of the paint spray and you can dry your car off with the cordless mini air cannon. I know I'm going to use this a lot because in winter washing here in Colorado, I use the paint spray all winter, and I'm for sure going to take this with me to dry off my car and get all the water out of the nooks and crannies. Also, if you have a winter reality and you get a lot of snow, especially the drier type of snow here in Colorado, you can take this out, blow the snow off of your car. So you can get really creative with how you use the cordless mini air cannon. You'll get about 15 minutes of runtime out of your cordless mini air cannon. And if you need to check, you can look on the back and it gives you a battery level on the back so you can make sure how much juice you have in your battery before you start or as you're using it. Now the motor runs at about 80,000 RPM, putting out 160 miles per hour of airflow or air blast that does a lot of work. It's also much more convenient to stow away in your cabinets or in your garage. So if you're limited in space, or maybe you really like to keep your garage super clean and tidy, this is something that you can really stow away a lot easier. Whether you get the cordless mini air cannon or you get any of the air cannons in our lineup, guarantee it's going to make drying your car much easier, and it's going to reduce scratching while you're drying. Thanks for watching.